Hey now, JR here with Lincoln Creek Lumber and Market Street Ace Hardware. Thanksgiving's right around the corner, which brings up the question, how are we going to cook our turkey this year? Today we're going to be focusing on frying, specifically with the Masterbuilt 30-quart turkey fryer. Fry or boil your favorite foods in this large capacity pot that can safely fry a turkey up to 18 pounds. The patent electronic timer with auto shutoff prevents overheating. This kit includes a 30-quart pot which comes with handles to make moving the pot easy. It also includes a lifting and turkey hook that makes removing the turkey a breeze. A 12-inch thermometer for use in oil or water, a 15-inch tall steel stand, and a cast iron burner. Now before we fry this bird, we brined it using the Brine Some Turkey kit. This brine will add depth and flavor to your bird and add moisture, decreasing the chances of a dry turkey. It's important to pat down your turkey to eliminate any excess moisture inside and out, or you could be that guy. And nobody wants to be that guy. Now, place your bird on the turkey hanger. Now let's fry this bird. Let's cut into this beauty and give her a taste. That is delicious. You can find your Masterbuilt 30-quart turkey fryer and the Brine Some Turkey brine at Lincoln Creek Lumber, Market Street Ace Hardware, or any participating Ace near you. Bon appetit!